Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use open jump rings. These small but mighty components are absolutely fundamental in jewelry making, serving as the crucial connectors for almost every piece you create. Whether you're attaching a clasp, adding a beautiful charm, or linking different elements, mastering the art of using jump rings will elevate your craft. We'll go over everything you need to know to make your jewelry pieces secure and professional. To properly work with open jump rings, you'll need just two essential tools: a pair of flat nose pliers and a pair of chain nose pliers. The key technique is to never pull the jump ring open directly. Instead, hold one side with one pair of pliers and the other side with the second pair, then gently twist the ends side to side. This method preserves the ring's circular shape and maintains its strength, preventing it from weakening or deforming. Once your jump ring is open and you've added your desired components, it's time to close it securely. Using your two pairs of pliers, bring the ends back together with the same gentle twisting motion you used to open it. The goal is to ensure the two ends meet perfectly, creating a seamless closure with absolutely no gap. A well-closed jump ring is vital for the longevity and security of your jewelry, keeping all your elements safely in place. Open jump rings are incredibly versatile. You can use them to attach clasps to necklaces and bracelets, add decorative charms to earrings, or even link multiple components together for intricate designs. A helpful tip is to always select the correct gauge and size of jump ring for your specific project. Thicker gauges offer more security for heavier pieces, while smaller ones are perfect for delicate work. With a little practice, you'll be using them like a pro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.